Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. Look at that view. This is where we spent the night last night. There's nothing quite like sleeping by the water and hearing the waves through the night. We got some good sleep, and now we're gonna have some breakfast.
Look, Audra's using her step. Perfect little Audra step.
Look, it's perfect. Look at our new pretty floor. I love it. Such a big difference. Steve did an awesome job on this. One of my favorite things about a spot like this is that I can get up for the sunrise and get a great view while Steve's still sleeping. So this morning I went out and I grabbed a few shots just as the sun came up. So that was pretty cool. Time to get back on the road. Inlet. It's actually one of the most dangerous inlets, I think, because of the currents. You can see like all the strong current coming in and out and the waves. I don't think the conditions are bad today, but there are some days, I think, when the waves are huge that the boats have a really hard time coming in and out. It's a neat place to come visit. We live in Florida when we're not traveling in the van, and we have never seen manatees hanging out for that long, that close up, so that was really cool.
Yeah, it was pretty neat. You don't get to see manatees that often, that close for that long. Pretty cool.
doing excavation out there.
All right, now we're at Coral Cove and we're going to go check out the beach.
Left driving back and forth. How am I going to get through here? So check out this beach. It's so unique with all the rock formations here. Look at that. Look at this great spot we found. We're gonna make some lunch and hang out for a little bit.
Seems like everywhere we go, they're doing something.
This is such a nice, relaxing spot right by the water. So we're gonna work on getting some work done, and then hopefully later we'll show you some more spots around this area and maybe some fun too.